What is up, my healthy peeps? Welcome back to another episode of Tea or Tea with me. This is the channel where we review products to improve our well-being. So if that's something you're interested in, hit that subscribe button and stay up to date with these healthy, fresh products. So today we're going to be trying Jocko Go energy drink. It's made with clinically studied ingredients, has 0 sugar, 95 milligrams of caffeine, has hydrating electrolytes and vitamins, and nootropics for an extra cognitive and physical edge to fuel your day. It's pasteurized to avoid harmful preservatives, which is a plus, and it's naturally sweetened with monk fruit and cane sugar to fuel your day without that compromise, so no crash. They're also big on having raw and clean ingredients in their product to separate themselves from other energy drinks that might have heavy metals, preservatives, or even chemicals. What I love about this drink, it's made with a purpose. So you have ingredients like acetyl L-carnitine, which is important for the fat burning process, turning fat to fuel. It's also been shown to decrease heart rate during exercise and reduce muscle damage. They also include L-theanine, which helps regulate blood pressure and help mental regeneration during times of stress. Super excited to try it. They have ingredients in here that work together to almost make the perfect energy drink. So we're gonna go ahead and start this review. We're gonna go through the PADIV, that's packaging, availability, taste, texture, effectiveness, value, and price. So this is the packaging right here. It's neat, it's cool. I love to see an ingredient bar that doesn't have fucking 10 million things on it. The packaging's nice, straight to the point. Balanced energy, increased focus, supports memory, black cherry vanilla, sugar-free, 10 calories, looks cute. We're gonna give it 5 stars. Alrighty, so now for the availability. As far as allergens, it seems to exclude the main allergens, so that's a check. So as far as diets, it's suitable for gluten, vegan, and keto, but it seems like it's suitable for most diets. But if you have a specific one, just check the link on the bottom and see if it works for you. So as far as where you can buy it, you can buy it on Amazon, you can buy it on their website, or you can get it delivered by Walmart. It's also available in-store at Walmart, Target, and you can get it at H-E-B if you're in Texas. So as far as availability, it's pretty available to pretty much anybody. I'm gonna give it 5 stars. Alrighty, y'all, now for the taste. Cheers. Wow, 0 sugar. That cane sugar is pushing through because this tastes sweet as fuck. It pretty much tastes like a cherry Coke, but like extra cherry. Yeah, this is getting 5 stars off the bat. Super good. And it's honestly better. The flavor is honestly better than a Monster or a Red Bull. This is probably I can't even talk, it's so good. It's probably the best energy drink I've had so far. It's getting 5. I'm gonna give it 5.5 stars. Alrighty, so for the texture. Texture is damn near perfect. It's sparkling, but sometimes you get a carbonated drink and it's too carbonated. This one's really good. It has my tongue dancing. It's going down smooth. I don't feel like I need a burp. It's getting 5 stars as well. So for the effectiveness, I'm gonna go ahead and finish this. I'll be back in an hour or so and let you guys know how I'm feeling. Alrighty guys, I'm back and I finished the drink and I loved it. I feel really, really fucking good right now. But overall, great experience. I feel energized. I just feel great. You know when you take an energy drink and you're like, I don't feel that way at all. This is light. This is definitely for somebody, if you like that feeling, this isn't the drink for you. This is for the people that just need like a light pick-me-up, but like no anxiety, no increased heart rate. It did what it said it was gonna do, so I'm giving it 5 stars, y'all. Alrighty, so now for the value and price. One individual can ranges from $3 to $3.49. A 12-pack on their website is $35.99. But if you get their subscription, you can get it for $32.39. So that's up to you guys. But when you do buy from their website, you could get a 10 to 20% discount. So be on the lookout for that. So overall for the value and price, I'm going to go ahead and give it a solid 4.5. It is a little bit more than your regular energy drinks, and the ounces are 12 compared to like 15 to 16 ounces. But You're getting great ingredients. I feel great. This is the best tasting one I've ever had. I'll definitely be getting it again. So for the value price, that's fair. So let's do the final star calculation. This is my first 5 stars, y'all. This was a 5-star drink right here. And I agree. Packaging was great. Availability, also great. Its taste, fucking phenomenal. That's what bumped it up to 5 stars because it got 5.5. Texture, great. Effectiveness, super great. This is perfect for me. I hate feeling jittery, but sometimes when I'm tired and I need that pick-me-up, this is perfect. I love it. I'm going to be getting this again. Value, 4.5, just because it's a little bit more for less ounces than your normal energy drink. But overall, the ingredients in there do what they say they do. Value, did a good job. Overall, trash or trend. Sorry, I'm giving it a trend. I don't even know why I said trash. I highly recommend this product. I feel great. I feel good. It's sugar-free, keto, naturally sweetened, has nootropics in there. If you try it, leave a comment below. This is probably, I'm like ecstatic right now. Like, this energy drink did awesome. This was I just feel great. Try it, leave a comment below, tell me what you think about it. But yeah, that wraps up everything, guys. Stay tuned for the next product. Thank you for watching. Love y'all, and see you on the next one.